Hi, Becky. Okay, not rolling over at 7 months, but especially with the comment that all meeting all the milestones. No, you're not. Right? There's a way of meeting milestones, and there's a quality of milestones. So first of all, please, 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 rolling over should happen at 2.5 to 3 months. From there, you have crossing midlines, grabbing the feet, going into independent sitting at 5.5 months, coming to sitting through their back at 6.5 months. At 7 months, you should be ready to go from sitting into all fours, and you're not there. Those milestones are just not happening. So honestly, not only do you need to get into the rolling over course, but you need a better foundation. And so, listen, that's what needs to be done, and that's where you need to be working at. I would get into the worried parent class big time, but if not, you'll see what I'm talking about. There's issues with midline through the chest, and that's not what's happening. And so you're not going around like this, and you're not moving, and the head is separating from the pubic bone. The milestones are getting away from the vision, and so there's complications there. So you can start simple by the newborn movement assessment, then going into my breathing course. The breathing course really just to get that chest moving. Not that there's issues with breathing, just for the chest moving, and going into the rolling over course. But I would get into the worried parent, the whole thing, because you've got to get better foundations in the milestones. And so from this, you're just going to get a creep or an army crawl, which is not crawling. You're going to start to see just bigger discrepancies, and that's not what we're about for your child's development. And that's where I'd go. Thanks.